Hello students, how are you? I hope all are safe and well. Okay. Today we are going to 8th standard chemistry. Topic is metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metals. Like learning object. First, introduction. Second one, physical properties. Third one, chemical properties. Fourth one, uses. Let us consider separating one by one. First one, introduction. Element. Element. Any one of the unknown charged particle is known as element. In this element, classified three types. First, number one, metals. Second one, non-metals. Third one, metalloids. Metalloids are semi-metal. Metalloids are semi-metal. How they are classified? Metal, non-metals, metalloids, depending upon the properties. Depending upon the properties. First of all, metals. Do you know metal? Do you know metal? Generally, most of the metals, especially electropositive characters, metals, most of the metals become electropositive characters. Many of the metal, it can be used as in our daily life. Example, copper, silver and gold. Copper, silver and gold. Copper. First number one, copper. It's a copper metal electropositive characters. Not only copper, silver and gold. Silver and gold, it can be used as a jewelries. Jewel. Copper utensils. Okay. Second one, non-metals. Non-metals generally electron gain, that is electronegative, electron gain. Non-metals. Example, carbon, sulfur and oxygen. Metalloids, 50% of metallic character and 50% of non-metallic character. Example, arsenic. Example, arsenic. Metals, non-metals and metalloids. How they are classified depending upon the properties. Okay. Next, go to physical properties of metals. Physical properties. physical properties of metals. First property is appearance. Most of the metals are solid. Most of the metals are solid at normal temperature and pressure. Example, iron. Fe. Example, iron. Most of the metals are solid. Example, iron. Except mercury. Mercury becomes act as a liquid. Liquid state. Mercury, liquid state. First one. Second one. Most of the metals are hard.
Hello, Vanakkam sir.
Most of the metals are hard. Example,
or question விட்டிருக்காங்க பாருங்க expanded
copper. Example, copper.
கரெக்ட் பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சிட்டோம்.
Second one.
அது வீட்ல பிராக்டீஸ் பண்ணி
Third one.
ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிருக்கான். 20 மார்க் வாங்கியிருக்கா பாருங்க பேப்பர்.
Third. Metal.
Thank you sir. Thank you.
High density. Most of the metals are high density. So density is nothing but mass by volume. Density is nothing but mass by volume. So most of the metals are high density. Third point. Fourth point. Shiny appearance. Fourth point, shiny appearance. Metals. Fifth one, metals become high melting point and a boiling point. Metals high melting point and a boiling point. Melting point. Melting point is nothing but solid become changed into liquid. That is melted. Solid become changed into liquid. That is melted. Boiling point. Liquid become changed into gas. Liquid become changed into gas. So generally metals are high melting point and high boiling point. Sixth one. Most of the metal become act as a good conductor. Good conductor. Good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity is good. Example, Cu become changed to Cu2 plus 2 electrons loss. Cu become changed to Cu2 plus 2 electron loss. So already you know, generally metals are electropositive. Take copper rod. So positive character. Positive character. If a pass on electron, electricity, pass on electron, that is negative charge, positive charge, unlike become attraction. So flow of electron. Flow of electron. Electricity become acceptor. So metal become act as a good conductor. Metal. Seventh one, sonorous. Sonorous. Sonorous means to produce a ringing sound. That is one of the physical properties. Sonorous. Let us consider first one, solid appearance. Second one, hard. Most of the metals are hard. Third one, high density. Fourth one, shiny appearance. Shiny appearance. Fifth one, high melting point and high boiling point. Sixth one, most of the metal become act as a good conductor to accept the electron. Seventh one, sonorous to produce a ringing sound. Next go to chemical properties. Chemical properties of metals. First number one, iron, Fe. Iron react with sulfuric acid, H2SO4 to gives Fe2 plus to attack SO4 2 minus. The product FeSO4 plus H2 gases. Ferrous sulfate, the product name ferrous sulfate. First number one, equation, auto balanced equation. Because of only one Fe, only one, two hydrogen, SO4, SO4. So auto balanced equation. The next, zinc. Zinc react with HCl, hydrochloric acid, to gives zinc 2 plus to attack chlorine, Zn Cl2 plus H2 gas. Zinc combines with hydrochloric acid, the product zinc chloride plus H2. 2 chlorine only one times. 2 hydrogen, 1 moles of zinc, 1 times zinc. So the complete balance equation, zinc plus 2 moles of HCl to gives ZnCl2 plus H2. Third one, aluminium plus HCl to gives aluminium combines with hydrochloric acid, the product AlCl3 plus H2 6 times. 6 hydrogen, only 2 hydrogen, so 3 moles. 3 2s are 6. 6 chlorine, only 3 chlorine. 2. 3 2s are 6. Chlorine balancer. 2 aluminum, only one time, it is 2. So the complete balanced equation, 2 moles of aluminum combines with 6 moles of HCl to gives 2 AlCl3 plus 3 H2. This is chemical properties. Uses. Uses of metals. First metal, iron. Iron making new bridges, especially engine part. First number one. Second one, copper. Copper, it is used as a electrical wire. Copper, it is used as a electrical wire and statues. Third one, copper, silver and gold. Copper, silver and gold. 3 metals become act as a coinage metal. Coinage metal. Why it is called coinage metal? First, point number one, it is less reactive. Less reactive. Second, copper, silver, gold do not react with water. Water. Do not react with water. Second. Fourth one, aluminium. Aluminium. Aluminium, it is used as the same one, electrical cable. Electrical cable and electrical wire. So, aluminium. Fifth one, mercury. It's a liquid metal. Mercury. Mercury, it is used for thermometer and barometer. Thermometer and barometer. Sixth one, lead. Sixth one, lead. Lead accumulate battery and X-rays. X-rays. Totally 6. First number one, iron. Iron bridges, iron sheet. Second one, copper. High density, electrical wire. Third one, copper, silver, gold. It is coinage metal. Because of less reactive and do not react with water. Fourth one, aluminium. Electrical cables and utensil. Fifth one, mercury. Liquid metal, mercury, can be used as a thermometer and barometer. Sixth one, lead. Lead accumulate battery and X-ray. That is uses of metals. Let's go to non-metals. Non-metals like sulfur, oxygen, phosphorus, chlorine, etc. Non-metals. Most of the non-metals located at B block in the periodic table. Okay. The next go to physical properties. Physical properties. First one, appearance. Non-metals like solid, liquid and gaseous state at normal temperature. Solid, liquid and gaseous state. Solid, example, sulfur. Liquid, example, bromine. Gas, example, chlorine, oxygen, etc. Appearance, 3 states, solid, liquid and gas. First number one. Second one, non-metals are low boiling point and a low melting point. Low boiling point and low melting point, non-metal. Third one, non-metals appearance become dull. Dull in nature. Non-metals appearance become dull in nature. Fourth one, most of the non-metals are soft. Most of the non-metals are soft except diamond. Diamond become hard. Fourth one. Fifth one, most of the non-metals are bad conductor. Most of the non-metals are bad conductor. Do not conduct the electricity. Example, plastic. Sixth one, do not shining appearance. Do not shining appearance. Seventh one, all states of and matters. Totally 6 points. First number one, solid, liquid and gases. Second point number 2, low boiling and low melting point. Third one, dull in nature. Fourth one, most of the non-metals are soft except diamond become a hard. Fifth one, non-metals become act as a bad conductor, do not conduct the electricity. Sixth one, do not shiny appearance. Next go to chemical properties of non-metals. Chemical properties. Non-metals. First one, carbon. Carbon combines with oxygen to give CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon, non-metal, combines with oxygen, CO2, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, CO2, dissolve water to give H2CO3. CO2, carbon dioxide, dissolve water to give H2CO3. H2CO3 is named as a carbonic acid. Carbonic acid. In this carbonic acid, it is used as a aerated drink. Carbonic acid. So first one, carbon combines oxygen to give carbon dioxide, the product. When the carbon dioxide dissolve water to give carbonic acid, H2CO3, 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon, 2 plus 1, 3 oxygen, 3. Equation balanced. Second one, sulfur combines oxygen to give SO2, sulfur dioxide. Here sulfur non-metal combines oxygen, SO2, sulfur dioxide. Third one, phosphorus react with O2 to give P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus combines with oxygen, the product phosphorus pentoxide. 4 phosphorus, only 2 phosphorus. 2 2s are 4 phosphorus. 5 into 2, 10 oxygen, only 2 oxygen. 5 2s are 10 oxygen. So the complete balanced equation, phosphorus combines with 5 moles of oxygen to give 2 moles of phosphorus pentoxide. Fourth one, hydrogen combines with chlorine to give HCl. Hydrogen combines with chlorine, HCl. 2 non-metal, hydrogen and chlorine. 2 hydrogen, only 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. 2 chlorine, 2 chlorine. Balanced. Fifth one, nitrogen, N2. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen to give ammonia. Nitrogen combines with hydrogen to give ammonia. 2 nitrogen, only 1 times of nitrogen. 2. 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, only 2 hydrogen. So 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. The ratio become 1 understood. 1:3:2 ratio. This is chemical properties of non-metal. First one carbon, second one sulfur, third one phosphorus, fourth one hydrogen, fifth one nitrogen. Next go to uses of non-metals. First one diamond and graphite. Diamond. Diamond it is used as a jewelry. Graphite to making pencil, lead pencil. Both are it contains carbon. Both are contains carbon. First number one. Second one, sulfur. Sulfur. It is used as a gunpowder. Sulfur. Third one, phosphorus. Third one, phosphorus. There are three types of phosphorus. White phosphorus, red phosphorus, black phosphorus. White, red and black phosphorus. Here, red phosphorus. It is used as a matchstick and rat poison. Red phosphorus. Fourth one, chlorine. Fourth one, chlorine. So, chlorinated water, bleaching agent. Chlorinated water, especially CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder. In a drinking water to kill some microorganism, especially chlorine. Fifth one. Sixth one, hydrogen fuel. Hydrogen. Hydrogen, it is used as a fuel, rocket fuel. And the important one, hydrogen become act as a reducing agent. Reducing agent. Reducing agent. Totally 6. First one, carbon content, diamond and graphite. Second one, sulfur, gunpowder. Third one, phosphorus, rat poison and matchstick. Fourth one, chlorine, calcium oxychloride. Fifth one, hydrogen. It is reducing agents. Next, go to conclusion. To compare metals and non-metals. Generally, metals are inversely proportional to non-metals. Metals is inversely proportional to non-metals. Metals is inversely proportional to non-metals. Example, most of the metals are hard. Most of the non-metals are soft. Metals become act as a good conductor. Non-metals bad conductor. Generally, metals are high melting point and a high boiling point. Metals. Non-metals low melting point and a low boiling point. Low melting point and a low boiling point. So we are conclude finally metals inversely proportional to non-metals.